Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right clip and preparing the area. Choose a clip with comfortable spring tension that fits your nostril width. This prevents pinching. Once chosen, clean both the clip and the skin with an alcohol wipe and let it dry. This reduces irritation and slippage. Make sure you have a mirror, strong light, and a small cotton pad or tissue on hand so you can work precisely. These simple steps set you up for a smooth placement. You now position the clip and make careful adjustments to balance comfort and appearance. Hold the clip open between thumb and forefinger and align any cushion or pad against the skin first so pressure is distributed. Gently place the clip at the base of the nostril where it naturally follows the curve, then close it slowly. Once closed, tighten incrementally, small turns or slight resqueezes, and check the tilt in the mirror. You finish by confirming stability and styling, then handle any issues. After placement, move your jaw, smile, and breathe to test whether the clip slips. If it moves, reopen and reposition slightly higher or lower until stable. Style hair and makeup around the clip and wipe it down after extended wear to remove oils. If you feel pain, numbness, or notice redness, remove the clip immediately, rest the area for 24 hours, and switch to a lighter tension clip or pad before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.